Hello children, now third class mathematics division. The chapter division chapter. What is the division spelling? Say children, division spelling. division, division. Now take out textbook children, page number 85 and take pencil also. Okay children, now start. Page number 85. All members that before division will completed. Okay children, now relation between division and multiplication. Relation between division and multiplication. It's like having these two relation. You know multiplication. You know tables. So multiplication tables you know. So say multiplication spelling multiplication, multiplication. Okay children, now see here. See here, what is this? Apples. What is this? Apples. You like apples? Okay. See how many apples are there. See here. How many apples are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 apples. Here 5 rows. See here. Here to 5, here to 3. So how many groups to divide? 3 groups. 3 groups to only dividing. 3 groups to dividing. 3 groups of 5 make. 1 group to how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 1 group to 5. So 3 groups of 5 make. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So, division and multiplication relation. 3 5s are 15. Which numbers will taking? 3 and 5 and 15. So, here 15 is divided by 3 is 5. See here 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Understand? 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. So here see. And also 5 groups to making only. 5 groups of make 3 make. So will 5 groups to in each group to see. Here 5 groups. 1 group to 1, 2, 3. In each group to 3 apples are there. So 5 groups of make 3 make 15 only. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. You can see from above that multiplication and division are related. Every multiplication can be written in the form of division and every division can be written in the form of a multiplication. Every multiplication the form of the written in the form of the division. Every division can be written in the form of a multiplication. So this both two relation only. See here. Try this. Observe the picture and write division and multiplication statement. So here multiplication and division. So first of all, how many groups? What is this? Mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 12 mangoes. Here 2 groups. Here 6 groups. So here write. First of all you take 2 groups. 2 groups of how many make 6? 6 make how many? 12. 12. So here 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So division. So 12 divided by 12 divided by 12 divided by 2 is 6. So here 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Understand children now? See next. And also see here next one. 6 groups of 2 make. So 12. 6 2s are 12. Understand? 6 2s are 12. Here. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Understand children? How to write in multiplication? Multiplication given means division. What relation having? Okay? So next one. See here balloons having. So here 4 groups having, this side 5 groups having. So now multiplication. How to write multiplication? See here first of all groups. How many groups of make? See here. Observe children. Observe. What do you observe? So next one children. Multiplication. How many balloons are there here? 4. 4 groups having in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each group to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 having. So now here multiplication. How to write multiplication? See here. 4 groups of 5 make 20. 4 groups of 5 make 20. So 4 5s are 20. And see. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. See children. 4 groups of 5 make 20. 4 5s are 20. So 20 is divided by 4 is 5. 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. And also see here 5 groups of 4 make how many? 20 here also. 5 4s are 20. See here 5 groups, each group to 4 4 only. So 5 4s are 20. So division method. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Observe children. Here multiplication form. This one is multiplication form. This one is division form. So in these 3 numbers too. 5, 4, 20. 3 numbers too. 5 multiplication 4. 5 4s are 20. In 5, 4 times having 5 fours are 20. In 20, 5 times divided, so equals to 4. Understand now? See here now. Fill in the blanks. 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. 2 6 are 12. See here, 6 2s are 12. 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Here 2 6 are 12. Understand? This like only. 5 4s are 20. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Understand? Here. 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. 3 6 are 18. Here 20 divided by 4. See here, in before only came 20 divided by 4. So how much? 5. 5 only. See here. 4 5s are 20. 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. So here write 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Here dash divided by 8 equals to 2. So we don't know, no? So first of all, this one came means this also will came. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So here write 16. 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. 8 to the 16 only? Yes. Here same. 15 5. In 15 to how many times will divide in means will came 5. 15 3s are 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. 5 3s are 5 3s are 15. Here not giving number, 2 only given. So 2 divided by how much? See here 2 given and here what given? 2 boxes will given. So suppose 2 4s are 8 will taking. So 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. 2 4s are 8. This is also correct. And take another also will came. 2 3s are 6. In one example also will saying I am extra example. 2 3s are 6. So here 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. 3 to the 6 only. This is the same. This numbers also same. Next this numbers will also taking. Same only. See here now. Fill in the empty boxes and make 2 more. Multiplication facts and division form. 4 3s are 12. 12 means this is the multiplication facts. So division forms. Which like will write in division form? 12. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. So in this multiplication one fact to 2 division forms will be written. So here same. 8 2s are 16. 16 divided 2. 16 divided 2 equals to 8. 16 divided 8 equals to 2. Understand children now? 5 4s are. 5 4s are how much? 20. 5 4s are 20. 20 divided by equals to 5 means 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Next 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. So give some example. Suppose 2 5s are 10. So one example I am saying 2 5s are 10. So 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. Understand children? How to write in multiplication facts division forms? 2 5s are 10. So 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. Understand? Here writing, you only write this another example. Okay? This box you only fill it. Okay, children? You only fill it this box. Only one example. Okay? Okay, children? This one example you only fill it. See, I am explaining again. 4 3s are 12. 12 means 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. These two numbers came and this number will come. Understand? In these three numbers only. Division form and symbols only changing. You observe, children. Here multiplication symbol. This is the division symbol. Understand? Okay, this problem, do these problems. I am explaining next class too. So children, you write this problem. Okay? Okay, children.